In this video, I'll explain about the stack column chart here. So we'll see. First of all, previous we have seen the stack bar chart. Now we are going to explain about stack column chart. So remember one thing here in Power BI. For every bar chart, there will be respective column chart, and there is no logical difference between the bar chart and column chart. Only difference is the priority and how we wanted to view the visuals. So let's see here. I will follow the same thing here. First, either click on the stack column chart or drag it. So first we'll adjust its size. Here we can see gray color line moving along y-axis. So we'll follow the same process. We'll move the numerical value along the y-axis here. Here in our case, numerical value is the sales. We'll move along the y-axis here. So we can see the sales value along y-axis. That is total sales. Now in the x-axis, we'll move the region. Now sales is divided into the four regions: west, east, central, south. Now in the legends, we'll move the category here. So now each region is divided into three different categories: furniture, office supply, and technology. If we compare between the stack bar chart and stack column chart, value will be same here. Like I will show you. Like west region furniture 252,612,74. This is west furniture. Now come to the stack bar chart. Now this is the west and furniture 252,612 here. So we see again here 252,612. So there is no difference in the value. Only difference is how client wanted. Some client may prefer numerical value along x-axis, some client may prefer numerical value along y-axis. That is the only difference. And now we'll do the same thing here. We'll remove the category, and along the cells we'll move the profit or another numerical value if you want. See here. Now for each region we can compare the sales and profit here. Here light blue color represent the sales and dark blue color represent the profit here. So we can see for the west region this is the total sales and this is the total profit here. And there is one more feature of Power BI. We can convert one visual into another visuals. So we'll see. This is one visual, that is stack bar chart. Now we'll copy here in the stack column chart. So this is, adjust its size. Now simply select this and click on the stack column chart here. See how it has been changed. So this is about the stack column chart.